Have you ever wanted to make money by posting on social media? In this video, I'm going to share with you the best monetization strategy that I've found. I'm going to show you how to make $7,495 per month on social media. The best part is that you don't need any coding or technical skills. So, keep watching to the end, check the description box for amazing money-making methods, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Do you like being your own boss? Here, I show you how to make $7,495 and more per month by only posting on social media using OnlyFans. OnlyFans is the social platform revolutionizing creator and fan connections. The site is inclusive of artists and content creators from all genres and allows them to monetize their content, while developing authentic relationships with their fan base. OnlyFans' most popular topics are cooking, makeup, fashion, fitness, meditations, alternative health, DIY projects, and video gaming. OnlyFans is like YouTube but with private chat and exclusive stuff. OnlyFans helps content creators and influencers monetize their social media content. You may profit from your capabilities and interests on OnlyFans by using the platform's monetization options. Monetizing your content may enable you to achieve your goals as a content creator if you promote your account across platforms, engage with your followers, and keep it active. Content creators get earnings depending on many factors. This includes subscription pricing, tips, pay-per-view stuff, and popularity. For example, if you have 10,000 followers, you could earn between $1,499 and $7,495 per month, based on an estimate of between 1% and 5% of your followers subscribing, and this figure does not include income from tips and paid messages. Creators may earn $600,000 each month, but they typically have a significant social media presence. Unlike other social platforms, OnlyFans is welcoming of all creator genres and their content. The platform is designed to optimize creator engagement. When a creator posts, over 60% of their fans see and interact with the content. Over 80% of direct messages sent by creators are seen and opened. Over 100 creators have earned over $1 million since monetizing their content on OnlyFans. The platform continues to grow as more creators are using content as a way to connect with their fans. To create an OnlyFans account, go to onlyfans.com and sign up using your email address. You can also use your Google or Twitter account. Complete your profile, then you have to complete your profile before OnlyFans will accept your account. You must upload a profile and photo, cover your feed with a relevant picture. Your photos are one of the reasons OnlyFans examines when accepting your account, so make sure they suit your content. Also, you can connect your Instagram and Twitter accounts. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.